This is a Forma-Stor. Our flat pack quick assembly storage unit can be built in under 10 minutes.
And now we bring you the brand new pack of accessories to take our Forma-Stor range to the next level.
Do you want to take a look?
Why not take security up a level with the BlokkaBar accessory? This adds up to 10 mil of steel, making the Forma-Stor virtually impregnable.
And a ramp can be simply added for the ease of handling heavy equipment and machinery in and out of the store.
You can now upgrade any of the 4 sizes on the Forma-Stor tool or cost range to feature the LED lighting kit.
These shelves have a maximum loading capacity of 200 kilograms, making a great use of space for storing your equipment.
Wow. This really does take the Forma-Stor range to the next level.
Always ticking every box.